and welcome to the session on measurement with scale and outside calipers to plus or minus 0.5 mm accuracy. Let us begin with the session.
Let us now look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to select the right capacity caliper for measurement. Set the size in caliper. Read the sizes by transferring them to a steel rule. Tools required for this exercise are outside calipers, spring and lock joint, steel rule, wooden block, mallet. Let us learn about the types of calipers used in a workshop. Inside calipers. They are used to measure the internal size of an object and distance between surfaces. Outside calipers. They are used to measure thickness and outside diameters of objects. The calipers are available in various capacities and forms. They are available as lock joint, spring, and digital calipers. A 150 mm capacity outside caliper can measure sizes from 0 to 150 mm. Let us now understand the sequence to measure the diameter of a workpiece using outside calipers and steel rule. Open out the jaws of the calipers until they pass clearly over the diameter to be measured. The work must be stationary when measuring the sizes. Place one point of the leg over the workpiece and get the sense of feel of the other point of the leg. If there is clearance on the other point of leg, gently tap the back of one leg of the calipers until it just slips from external diameter of the workpiece to give the right sense of feel. The accuracy of reading depends upon the sense of feel of the user, and hence high care should be exercised to get the correct feel. In the case of spring outside calipers, adjust the screw nut so that the adjustment of the jaws just slips from the external diameter of the workpiece to give the right sense of feel. When you have adjusted the outside caliper for the correct feel, transfer the measurement to a steel rule. The point of one jaw must be placed over the graduation so that the point of other jaw is parallel with the edge of the steel rule. Let us now measure the various workpieces using outside calipers and steel rule. Clean the outside calipers and steel rule. Ensure that the jaws of the calipers are moving freely. Clean all the workpieces to be measured. Diameter of the given workpiece is 45 mm. The length of the given workpiece is 67 mm. The length of the side of the square bar is 40 mm. The length of the given workpiece is 103 mm. The diagonal length of hexagonal bar is 47 mm. The length of the given workpiece is 65 mm. To recap, we have learned to select the right capacity caliper for measurement. Set the size in caliper. Read the sizes by transferring them to a steel rule.
So that's all about measurement with scale and outside calipers to plus or minus 0.5 mm accuracy. See you in the next session.